Hi everybody, I am Sakshi Sharma from iRemedy, and in this video we're going to be talking about the iRemedy hand sanitizer.
iRemedy is a medical supply company with the world's largest online catalog of health and medical products. We ensure safety by working exclusively with established, verified manufacturers and distributors that offer FDA-approved products.
Reduce infection and spread with our medical-grade hand sanitizer. Our high-alcohol hand sanitizer eliminates viral and bacterial germs and other microbes, greatly reducing the risk of contagion. Stocked and shipped from our warehouse in the US.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.
Before you go, check out our website at iremedy.com and get to know us better by logging on to our social media.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.